We have a wireless power bank charger, 10,000 milliamps. And what we're going to do is open up the box and show you what you get inside. This is the weetla 03A instruction guide and how to use it. This is your wireless charger. It has a little kickstand that you simply put your finger underneath. It springs up and it can sit on the table like so. You close the kickstand and over here is an indicator of the percentage. If I show the light, do forgive the camera if it flickers. It's at 76% charged. You can take the supplied USB-C to C cable and you're going to look for the port, plug it in, charge your unit till this hits 100%. It is a magnet, as you can see, as I start to wave, and the phone will acknowledge. You just have to make sure you have it on correctly, and off you go. With the kickstand, it is quite difficult to stand your phone up and charge like so, because with my case, things will slide out. So you want to make sure you do this correctly to charge. You must have a USB Type-C to plug in and your lightning cable to charge via a power cord and turn the unit on. If you are looking for a power bank to take with you and charge your phone no matter where you're at, this unit may be right for you. At 10,000 capacity, should charge your phones for quite a long time. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.